body's aching, system overload. Temperatures rising, I'm about to explode. Watch me, I'm intoxicated, digging the show. It's got me hypnotized, everybody step aside. It's still the night, kill the lights, feel it under your skin. That's right, keep it tight, cause it's pulling you in. Lift it up, you can't stop, cause it feels like an overdose.
Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree?